everyone! We're going to start off by making sure our gradebook is set up properly in order to add our final exam assignment. So in your gradebook, you want to first check your settings. You need to have a category that is called the final exam. This category should be weighted at 100, and each section that has a final exam should be checked off. You may have already done this, or it may have carried over from last year or another year if you carried over your categories. But if you didn't do this, then you can just come down here to add. You can put in the name, final exam, change the weight to 100, and then add the sections that you need. Once you have that final exam category there, and it is at a 100, then we're going to go in and start adding the assignment. So we want to be in the grading task of final exam. Once we're in the final exam grading task, we can go over here to add a new assignment, put in the title of the assignment, take it off the portal, so we want it not visible to your class, change the date, start date and end date to the day of your final. You can change the abbreviation if you want, final exam. You can just leave it as it automatically inputs it. Make sure the category is final exam. Make sure the standard or grading task is also final exam. The points are at 100. Then you're going to come up here and you're going to attach the test. So click Learning Tool, go into NICU. From here, you're going to search for the assessment using the naming code that we give you. The teacher is Middletown. The sharing level is district, school, and self. Click search. Once you see your final, you're going to make sure that it's the correct final exam. Then click use this assessment. From here, you'll see this box that says accept scores. If this box is checked, once the students take the final in NICU, it'll automatically bring the scores over to Infinite Campus. And then from here, I want to click Save and Add Sections because you probably have more than one class taking the final. So you click Save and Add Sections. This is an algebra final, so I want to add the other algebra class. When you're done with that, click OK. So now I have 2 sections. My start date and end date is correct, and now I'm all done. Then I click Save Changes, and everything should be correct. So when I close out of this, once it reloads, I will now see that final exam assignment in my final exam task. If you need to delete a final exam grade, go to the final exam grading task, clear the final exam grade completely out, click Save, and when you go back to the final grade grading task, you'll see the final exam is no longer there.